Hi, it's Miss Kendall, and we're going to talk a little bit about what makes a source credible and how you can find one. Credible is able to be believed or trusted. Consider the following criteria when choosing a source, and we have an acronym CRAAP, I guess it's pronounced as crap, to help us remember or to help us qualify what makes a source credible. Currency, relevance, authority, accuracy, and purpose. And I'll let you explore each of the little bullet points beneath each letter on your own. Where should I look for credible sources? If you're like me, the first thing you do when you want to find out some information is you do a quick Google search. But Google and internet search engines don't always provide credible sources. Let's consider using the resources in the OCC Library in our search for credible sources. Conveniently, you can get right to the OCC Library through D2L just by clicking on the Student Services tab and then selecting Library from the drop-down menu. And from there, it's really easy to explore the library's holdings. We're going to start with some research guides. We're really lucky in our topic area. We have research guides that are dedicated to film and theater. For this credible source search, we're going to use the database Fine Arts on File. After I open Fine Arts on File, I have some search options, and I already have my topic, so I know exactly what I'm going to look for. Neo-Noir is my search topic. I have my results displayed in the wheel. It's kind of like a little pie graph. I really enjoy searching this way. It breaks down neo-noir, and you can see on the bottom we have quite a bit of information relating to neo-noir films, which is what I'm searching for, but then other areas that are tangentially related. I went ahead and selected the first resource, which is an article about the neo-noir film directed by David Lynch, Lost Highway. In my class, you'll be often asked to provide a link to a credible source in your objective discussion board topic, and it's really easy to do that through the database. So if I want to get my link to embed it right into the discussion board topic, all I have to do is use the tab at the top of the page. I can cite, save, and link my article. And I can also dig a little bit deeper if I want to explore similar resources and related subjects. Using the library's research guides leads me quickly to credible sources. Internet search engines are fine for obtaining information about a film, but they don't always provide credible sources. Websites like Wikipedia, IMDb, and Rotten Tomatoes are great for giving you general information about a film, but they aren't credible sources because the people adding content aren't always experts in the area. As a college student, learning to do research is an important part of your education. Visit the online and on-campus library to explore thousands of credible and academic sources.